Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I traded in Apollo Hospital. First we'll see Nifty. When I checked Nifty opened gap up. This was a huge gap of almost, we'll check, of almost 157 points to be precise. And after gap up opening, this was the resistance area. I'll show you on 1 hour. This was the resistance area. This again, it came almost near this area. This now today what happened, it was making lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. After that you can see it was trading below 50 MA, so I thought it may go down, retrace a bit. I was not expecting to fill this gap, but I was expecting a retracement because it opened gap up. It was a huge gap, so I was expecting a retracement till this point. I will show this point, this point 15,820. But what happened, Nifty crossed this triangle pattern. You can see it crossed this triangle pattern with a good wide range candle. Again it retraced and again it went down. So when it was making this pattern, it broke down the triangle. I checked Apollo Hospital, and as you can see Apollo Hospital was making this triangle, but this was a bullish triangle, but I was expecting a down move because it was trading below this 50 MA and making lower lows, lower highs. So I was expecting a small move of 18 points from here. So I thought it will cross this triangle. This is the channel pattern on 15 minutes. This not channel, but it was respecting this trend line, and I thought it is making lower highs. This is the first high, second high, and this was the third. But it was a this was a wrong trade. As you can see, my SL got hit, but it almost went to my target. My target was, you know, missed by some points. As you can see, on 5 minutes when it crossed this trend line, also you can see this was a failed breakout of this triangle. So I thought it is making lower lows, lower high, and also it is below 50 MA and 200 MA. I thought it is a uh, negative stock, so it will go down. I was expecting move of only 18 points. As you can see from here, it retraced. So I thought I will take a short trade here. So when it crossed this trend line, this big trend line with this wide range candle, and as you can see the volume is also, high, so I traded when it retraced. But as you can see, I missed my target here. See, my target was missed by some points. Let's see, 4.40 points. You know what happened at this 11:57. This was a fake breakdown. As you can see, it was making the blue pattern or kind of a, it is in this area only. It is not going down. So this was a fake breakdown, and it went up to this trend line and then it went down. Since morning I was only expecting for short moves because I thought Nifty is going to retrace down. So I wanted to take short trade because I thought after this much of gap up, I thought Nifty will take a break. It will not continuously go up. It will take a break today and it will go sideways or it will go down a bit. So that's why I was looking for short opportunities. But Apollo Hospital, after this my trade, you can see if Apollo Hospital gave a good up move. So actually this triangle pattern, I should have avoided this trade. only based on this triangle pattern, because this type of triangle pattern is supposed possible, it is possible that it will cross up, break up. So that happened. Actually, it gave failed breakout. Then it was again this small trend line was broke. Again, this big trend line on 5 minutes was broke. There was 2-3 reasons for me to trade. So I thought that this is a good trade, but because Nifty is was sideways, you can see Nifty was sideways. This trade could not, achieve my target. So after that, here again, I was looking for a shorting opportunity. I was not looking for long opportunity, as I told. I was looking for short opportunity only. So this was the trend line. First resistance, second resistance, and this time third resistance. I thought it will make M pattern or something, and then it will go down. So that happened. It did not make a M pattern, to be precise, but it made some kind of pattern. You can say it was a triangle pattern or something, but it broke that this trend line, also 50 MA, then it went down. So this could have been a good trade, as Nifty was also down. But after this trade, I took a trade in HDFC Life. So here my strategy was, since morning HDFC was, in a downtrend. It was obvious downtrend. It is trading below 50 MA and 200 MA, and this trend line was broke in the morning. So after this, it was retracing. So this was the retracement, and from, we can check fib, this retracement was perfect 0.332 retracement, and after this retracement it was in a channel pattern. So also it made a lower high, and also it broke this channel pattern. Also the both MAs were broke. So I thought this is high probability trade, it will achieve my target. But as you can see, it hit my SL, then it went down. You know why I kept my SL here? Because I thought, if these two MAs were there, also the trend line were there. So I thought, if it crosses both these, it will not. It is not possible that it will go again down. Also, Nifty was sideways, so I thought I'll not risk much. So I kept my SL here, and as you can see, that was a wrong decision, because if I would have kept my SL2 above this high, I would have easily achieved my target. But it's okay. This is learning for me, and as you can see, both my SL were hit, and that's it. This was my trades for today, and thank you for watching my video.